Maybe I'm not a good hunter or what? But I'm a black fella. I should get him. Come on, hurry up, you up. I'm hungry. Oh, bush McDonald. Hey, come on, come with me. We gotta go look for beam. Beam! And I can see the beam from here, look, white clay. I gotta go up here, okay? Oh, I'll go around that side here. Oh!
Don't fall on me.
I don't want to follow. Okay. This one here, beam. When I was young, my father used to get a beam, pen herself before go hunting. The important one is rub them there, under the arm, so that the kangaroo won't smell that sweat.
What are we going to use it for today?
Painting. I like to live in the bush. I reckon here somewhere, for guiding, working for a long, long time. If you want to come, come bush, sleep under the stars nighttime, nighttime. You can listen to the dingoes or birds. But I don't want to sleep by myself in the bush. I want a lot of friends, make me busy. I'm getting hungry now. Look at kangaroo. Kuny. No good. Maybe I'm not a good hunter or what? But I'm a black fella. I should get him. Put him on Facebook. Make him laugh, yeah. Come on, hurry up, you up. I'm hungry. I've been talking for a long, long time. Now I own my own business and I like it, Good fun. Meet people from everywhere. Playing didgeridoo, sing a song, painting and firelighting, spear throwing, coach view, bush retreat. This is where I do cultural experience. I want to buy kangaroo tail.
There you go. There's one already wrapped for you.
Thank you.
No worries.
You know what? That bush McDonald's. Well, I'm going to make a fire because I'm going to cook kangaroo tail later because I'm hungry. Come on. Let's go do painting. This is what we got today, the beam, and I'm going to use it to do rarak, cross edge. This one here, like Dalabon grass, in my language, jarok. This is what we use for cross edging. My dad and uncle taught me when I was young how to do rarak. Always my tribe do 4 white line and then gap 4 white line. Look, done now, look, finish.
What's that one?
Long neck turtle. Good takaya, long neck turtle, yeah, I like it, my favorite. And the water lilies, I do like eating like a celery. Yummy, oh yeah, make me think. Long time, yeah. Kangaroo tail. Oh, I like it because that bone, like when you chew. First, I'm gonna burn the skin. Grab all this one here. Now, what I'm doing now here, take the skin out so I can cook properly. Hard work. It's not easy.
You want me to do it?
Yes, please.
Hard, eh?
Yeah. Maybe I hold them like this and you. Nothing yet.
Hey.
Teamwork. Time now to chuck them on the fire. Gotta wait for half an hour. Cover them up now with some coals. See that fire? Good fire, look. Well, I'm gonna sit down here and play this molo. Gonna push that air from here up and do that circular breathing like this. Like this. Anyone wanna dance with me? Yeah. Like a wing, work like that. Thank you.
Do you always have an audience like that?
Oh, yeah. Oh. I'm gonna take the kangaroo off now. I think it's done. Oh, yeah, I'm hungry, yes. You can go home now.
See ya.
Yeah. That was good. Good fun. Yeah.